today is day 1 and I'm going to choose an outfit that I can wear to work. I work in fashion retail, and then I'm also going to go op shopping once I get off my shift. So I want to wear probably long pants or a long skirt, and then just like probably a pretty basic top and some comfy shoes because I'm going to be on my feet for a couple of hours. I also used the like dressing gown tie thing to do the overnight heatless curls, so I'm going to take them out as well. So this is a lot more masculine than what I would normally wear. So I'm wearing just like a plain black t-shirt, wide leg tan pants, and then my Doc Martens. So I'm not sure. I think I like it, but I'm not sure if I like it for me. So I'm going to try and put a bunch of jewelry on, and then when I take my hair out and it's nice and curly, hopefully those will offset the masculinity of this outfit. Okay, so it's very curly at the moment, but I'm going to brush it out and then see how we go. Okay, so this is my day 1 outfit. I've got my gold jewelry on, my rings, my bangle, and then just some gold hoops, plus these tan pants, just super simple black tank top, and then my Doc Martens. So that's day 1. This is my day 2 outfit. I've got my Tommy Hilfiger t-shirt that I got on sale. I've got my silver chains, rings, bangle. Haven't done earrings yet, I'll do that in a sec. Second day curl hair but in a ponytail. And then I've got my white, almost flare jeans and black Converse lifts. High top. So yeah, that's the outfit. And then of course mask. Today I've got to drop some stuff off at work that I forgot to drop off yesterday, and then I'm gonna go to Kmart and get some craft stuff, and then Spotlight to get the rest of the craft stuff. So not much going on for the going out section. Day 3, I just got back from work. I didn't film getting my outfit together this morning because I had uni assignments and I was submitting them last minute, but I've got time now, so I'll show you. I've got gold jewelry on today, and then wide leg black jeans, baggy t-shirt with baguette bag and Converse lifts. So very streetwear today, and I really like how my bag matches my shirt because it matches so well, and I don't know how. I got this Fendi bag from the markets, the local markets, for $30. Vintage Fendi baguette bag, and I don't know how I did it, but I'm very glad that I did. So that's it for day 3. So it's day 4. I've got a 4-hour shift at work today, and it's usually pretty cold, so I like to wear long pants if I can, but it is a little bit warmer today, so I will probably wear a singlet top, and I think I want to go for a monochrome look today, so probably like a black singlet top with the jeans and then black Converse lifts, and then I'll probably do like a lot of gold jewelry or something, and then just brush my hair. Yeah. Just chosen my jewelry. I've got like a baby crystal, not real crystal, but like a baby crystal look-alike thing, and then these chunkier hoops, and then 2 rings, my bracelet, and then this necklace. And I think it goes well with this outfit. And then I'm not ready to go yet, but when I am, I'll put my Converse lifts on and it'll be all black. I really like it today. It's really the vibe, so very happy with it. And then I'm just gonna wear the same bag as yesterday because it's got all my stuff in it.